Hi friends, this video shows how to format USB flash drive using Google TV Streamer 4K device. See here I have connected two USB flash drive to this Google TV Streamer 4K device. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub. This hub I connected to Google TV Streamer 4K device using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the power cable that is connected to PD in port of the multi-port USB hub. And these are the sandisk USB flash drives. Let me go to TV, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, select storage, and here you can see two sections, device storage and removable storage. And here you can see one USB flash drive you can see under device storage, and second USB flash drive is under removable storage. Okay, so here I am going to format this USB SanDisk drive. Let me select this. I am going to format it and convert as removable storage. Select this option, select format. So before format, if you want to backup, you can backup using this backup apps option. Let me select format, then formatted, then select OK. See, now you can see that flash drive has been moved to removable storage section. See, now we can see two USB SanDisk drive under this removable storage. So this way we can format. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.